goes to you all. We stand here on behalf of all the group, Amamreso Agofoma, to say a very big thank you to Ben and his colleagues, each and everyone that helped Ben because of us. In this pandemic year, we wasn't expecting something from them. By the grace of God, you did it well for us. We thank you. May God richly bless you. When you wake up in the morning and the first TV station that you hear, it reminds you that greeting from Amamreso Agofoma, that we are saying a very big thank you. We and the Ensuasi Kete group, may God richly bless you all. Thank you.
Sabi aboafo ana se Ben una wudi animu unu nuanu mu amoka mo nsase e de bre ye Amamreso Agofoma ani Nsuase efo no e de mo nyina ase ne ye ka kire mu se wote se ebi a akoskoko afidie bi a TV station e kasa anopa na ye Amamreso Agofoma ye ni Nsuase fo nyina e na e da mo ase se de and I'm saying lockdown here by ye na munina maki come home abomu na mabe adoye kama say this car abre ye catch him say oba de obo so bo asase no onhira mo ye mu iska ni fi ya no onyame ontumi ko no ma mo kwatete ti se hunu nipa dom ya ye twehia ha enya Amamreso Agofoma ye nyina ye ni nanso wonim ne de abesankra wie mu nti no yatete ye ntem ti ye ne a kakra yitwehia ye no yetumi ayi bisi e de bremo Amamreso Agofoma edamasi a esono